Alright, so I got a quick update here, guys, on the Ferrari F40 super duper large build. So I had all this put together, and it never kind of went in properly anyway, so this may be a blessing in disguise. All these support things here, where the exhaust comes through. Anyways, I was having a hard time getting all this together and built in and had it all together. And then the puppy came in and kind of hit the end of the table, and the car kind of went upside down. So, I guess I'm not mad, just disappointed, but it gives me an opportunity to try to rebuild this here. So I didn't like the way it was. It kind of wasn't sitting together right. I was had a time looking at the instructions, seeing where pieces go on it. So this may give me the opportunity to do it a little better. One of the main problems I'm having here, well, besides that little last part there, little bump in the road there, um, so it's got these little pins for the wheels, and the tires here. These are really cool tires, directional tires. Got the nice wheels on them. Four directional tires. The rear tires are bigger than the front tires. And they got these cool little pins that go in here. If I can get it on camera. Ooh, almost lost it. They go right in there. And these actually go around the little pegs that are in, come out of the brake rotors. The problem is they don't actually fit. So what I was doing, I was actually drilling out holes. Where are they? Right here. I was drilling it out to try to get it in, and I still can't get them in round. So I don't know how far I'm supposed to drill it before it gets all goofy. I'm actually thinking of, since things are breaking off here anyways now, see if I can take these off and pull these little pins out, and then just super glue these guys into there, instead of having it try to wrap around that. So on the back here, I would just like cut these off so that the tire would just then go right around it, and it's kind of a, it should be an easy design, but for some reason I'm having a hell of a time with it. So that's where I'm at here. I get to rebuild this whole back end here. Maybe I can make it look better, because I really wasn't happy with the way it was coming out beforehand. So, quick 2-minute video. I hope everybody's doing well. I'll catch y'all later.